Hello everyone, it's Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video to show you how to do the blanket stitch. So to start off, I'm using my 6.5 millimeter hook because I do have a bulky yarn I'm using as my swatch here. So you're going to start with a slip knot, and then what you're going to do is you are going to chain in multiples of 3. So however long you want your blanket, just make sure that you do a multiple of 3. Once you get to the length that you want, what you're going to do is you're going to go down to that third chain from the hook, and in that chain what you're going to do is you are going to do 2 double crochets. So you're going to yarn over, go into the chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and go through the last 2, and that is how you are going to do your double crochet. Moving on, we are going to skip 2 chains, and in that next stitch we are going to do a single crochet and 2 double crochets in that same chain. So once you get done, you will have a total of 3 stitches in that chain. You're going to continue that pattern of skip 2 stitches, in the next stitch do a single crochet and 2 double crochets all the way down the length that you have created for your blanket. And then once you get towards the end and you only have 3 chains left, we're going to show you how to do that next. So there are those 3 chains left at the very end. What you're going to do is you're going to skip the first 2, and in the last one you are going to do a straight single crochet. As we finish that round, you're going to do a chain 1 and you'll turn your work. After you turn your work, you're not going to go into that chain you just did. You're going to go into that next space that was created by that single crochet, and you're going to do 2 double crochets in that opening. After you have finished that, you're going to skip 2 stitches. Those 2 stitches from the previous round were the double crochets, and then you are going to go in where that single crochet was and do a single crochet, 2 double crochets. So what you have made is you've made a valley with that single crochet, and that is where you're going to put the next row of stitches, is in that valley that was created. And you're going to continue that pattern all the way down the length of the blanket that you're making. When you get to having 3 stitches left, what you're going to do is you're going to skip 2 stitches and then just do a straight single crochet. So we're going to do that. The first round can be a little tight, or if you're crocheting tight, all of your rows may be a little tight. But what you're going to do is you're going to finish off with that single crochet, do a chain 1 and turn. Then we're just going to repeat, and not going into that first chain, but into that first space where the single crochet from the previous round was, and do a double crochet. You're going to skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch after that, you're going to do single crochet, 2 double crochets, and you're going to continue that all the way down the length of the blanket. And when you get to the end again with 3 stitches left, you will just skip the first 2, do a single crochet, chain 1, turn, and repeat. So that is truly the blanket stitch. It is a bit of a yarn hog, so please be aware of that when you do this stitch. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please share it, give it a thumbs up, and leave me some comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Epic Yarn Gems and turn on notifications so you know when I post my next video. As always, peace, love, and happiness to y'all. Take care.